Now people where they sleep, we say they snore no be here. Now you go say because some go say now so I did. Now so I did. You feel say now so then day I been a sleeping disorder where we say treatment day.
My brother, nobody wey got born with snoring. Not be so then day. Now they acquire. Now something they do to their body wey no make well. And when they talk to them more, some people go say now because I tire. Now when I tire,
yes,
they fall asleep like that. Science they clear. This na fact. Snoring na obstruction. When you and I they sleep, you they take oxygen go your body. The oxygen they go brain, it they go everywhere. Your body go use them, it go get waste product where we they call carbon dioxide. They must come out. The person where they snore, when the CO2 they come out, the CO2 no get free road. It they face blockade. That blockade they for the back of the throat. Now we they call tonsils and all that. One of the things where research tell us we say if you be a robot man, or your neck size, make you measure your neck. If your neck don't reach 17 and above, you go snore.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
All right, 26 minutes. I understand for the front of 8 a.m. So if you say 8:26, you did very, very correct. Yanga 89.9 FM, the station where you can't put this morning. Be that. My name is Ejiro. And of course, we did on top area police this morning on top your award-winning waiting day. Nobody let me day here because we they talk about sleep and we talk about exercise. When they say sleep and exercise, which one guarantee long life? You know, anytime when you do better, they go tell you say long life and prosperity. Yeah, prosperity you go work for them. But as if you say long life too, there's something to do to actually, at least to an extent, you know, say you don't do your own part. The Baba God go do the rest as they concern long life. So nobody let me there because as you hear sleep, you don't hear this. You can also we won't bring a specialist. We get a cardiologist in our means. We get Rashid Abasi, MD, Chief Medical Director, Heritage Men's Clinic. Okay, again, I say welcome.
Thank you, my brother.
All right, so we'll continue with this sleep matter. Again, one area I want more we touch. Although we never finish that area, I still concern nursing parent. We will just wrap that one up for nursing parent because I know say once a child don't come in, especially boy child, their sleep. They did this. I tell you from experience. At the point I had to run from my master bedroom to visitors' bedroom because I want to me when we see that me work, that me they run every day. Make I still get opportunity to even rest more. Because that my boy, once you wake up, everybody must wake up. If you sleep, if you don't sleep when they sleep, you on your own. So, but let's talk about how parents should actually manage their sleep when they don't get a baby, they don't get a toddler.
Now, first of all, acknowledge say na tough job then they do.
Okay.
So as you talk, say yes, you na the organ now, you the provider, but you won't get your sleep, so you go feel go show your hustle.
Yes.
But the mama where they do the work, as that boy picking, even in the run, instant no left from right. Yeah. So mama go the day up like eagle mama to see say you know go put hand where you know supposed to do.
Yes.
But small pikin dey get so much energy, him go get time wey him go tire small when him go sleep.
Yes.
Na that time the mama go take do 2, 3, 4 things. So as I talk earlier, now that boy still be the CEO for the house. Now in schedule everybody must follow.
It's not CEO.
Now him be the CEO.
For us, the parent.
No. So parent don't become the MD now. Then you must listen to chairman. So now so mama go follow all that one until pikin come able to understand. Sure, you understand. Yes. So the job not be easy job.
Yeah.
And if God bless you, you feel afford maid, get some help for mama. Okay. Make you do am because she too she need some sleep. And as she don't born the pikin, all her hormone don't dey different.
Yes.
So she dey many process where she dey still try to get the hormone together. She still want nurse. She want make sure say this pikin wey no sabi nothing no go enter where you no supposed to. Yeah. So na tough job.
Na tough job.
All
right. I like one of the points you make. You feel get help.
Yes.
You get help. And then also help the mother to also manage her own self because you said no one make she shrink just by giving birth to one child or two child.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, doctor. At least we don't put a cap to that one. Mogu sharply move enter. People will say, you know why would they face sleep today? Because you don't choose say exercise and sleep. You don't choose say and sleep. Then actually they bring about long life. Now why would you choose? No worry, if we talk about exercise later, but I want to talk about this sleep. Now people where they sleep, we say they snore no be here. Now you will say because some go say now so I did. Now so I did. You feel say now so then day I been a sleeping disorder where we say treatment day.
My brother, nobody wey got born with snoring. Not be so then day. Now they acquire. Now something then do to their body wey no make well. And when you dey talk to them more, some people go say now because I tire. Now when I tire, they fall asleep like that. Science dey clear. This na fact. Snoring na obstruction. when you and I dey sleep, you dey take oxygen go your body. The oxygen dey go brain, e dey go everywhere. Your body go use am, e go get waste product wey we dey call carbon dioxide. They must come out. That one you no need to make noise when as we dey talk now, I dey take oxygen, I dey go out give you CO2. Na so e dey be. But person wey dey snore, when the CO2 dey come out, the CO2 no get free road. E dey face blockade. That blockade dey for the back of the throat. Na im we dey call tonsils and all that. One of the thing wey research tell us be say, if you be Yoruba man, or your neck size, make you measure your neck. If your neck don reach 17 and above, you go snore. That one no be say na so dem born you.
Are you for real?
I dey tell you,
once your neck reach 17 and above, you must snore.
You must snore.
Wow.
Because you don get all this neck thing wey our people think say, e don dey make am, e don
dey chop well,
e don chop up. Na problem the thing dey cause.
Wow.
So as we dey advise people, make you know your blood pressure, know your sugar pressure, everything, make you know your neck size.
So I think na where exercise sef come in now.
Na so.
Good.
So when person dey snore, e no dey get into deep sleep. Na so you go see say, if I dey snore, when my wife come knock me small, snore go away. Because as I change position, the thing wey dey cause blockage, e open small. The snoring go comot.
When you change position small, e go just comot small.
That tell you say the thing na disorder, not be so God wan make you be.
Now e get treatment.
E get treatment, my brother. E get treatment. The most common treatment wey we dey use na one thing wey we dey call CPAP. CPAP na continuous, CPAP, continuous pressure airway, because we wan put pressure for the blockade, make e comot. So but people know they like that one because na small machine. When you dey sleep, you go put am there, make it dey give you constant pressure. But as we dey America, we know they sit down one place. Research don go past that one. We get one small new one now wey you no go even know. Then go just put am under your neck small. That thing they call it dey correct snoring. But for person wey go say na Lagos we dey, who go Yankee, not be everybody go fit go Yankee. Exercise na one of the easiest way for you to treat snoring. Because if you exercise well, you go lose weight small.
You go
you go open all those valve wey dey there. All the tonsils go shrink small. You go breathe better.
Now I want to talk about wetin be the risk for somebody be say you don dey in that place of that kind of heavy snoring, and they want maybe do exercise or maybe take caution of maybe look for a solution to am. It just say na my life be that. Wetin be the risk?
No, not be life. Na two things wey none of them good. Person wey dey snore, dey get enough oxygen go in brain. Na that one be the easiest one, direct route to stroke. Not be me talk am, na science. So person wey dey snore, dey get enough oxygen wey dey go to the brain. When your brain no get enough oxygen, pressure go build up. Na stroke be that. The second one na sudden cardiac death. You go see somebody, then go say, I see that man now. So we just dey talk, na him slump. Because when you dey snore like that, you dey get thing wey we dey call narcolepsy. People wey dey fall asleep for meeting, for things like that, their heart dey go up, pressure dey go up. Na so one machine go give up, then go fall.
Thank you so much. We don't talk about exercise, and you don't talk about some medical things. So we say, you go fit also buy, put for body, go still help you. And but you say one of the natural way, one of the best way, na exercise. So I believe we don't talk about, we don't put cap now to this part of it. Then we move straight to, exercise. Now, what is the role of exercise? As you don't say exercise, not be sleep. They guarantee long life.
Yes.
Then exercise now quality, of life. Now let's touch on the quality of life. How this thing go take? How you go fit take? Highness within exercise that actually they give for body.
Exactly. Now this one not be say we dey do Olympic exercise. This one not be say we dey train for big competition. Make you look am. As we be human being, two brothers wey we dey talk so, we no fit fly, we no dey fly like bird, we no fit swim like fish. The only thing wey Baba God make we do well na to waka. So one of the easiest form of exercise na walking. When you dey walk, you wake up in the morning, you walk for like 15-20 minutes. At night before bedtime, go walk for like 15-20 minutes. That one don show across a lot of research say you no go get blood pressure, your sugar go dey well controlled, you no go get high cholesterol. The thing wey we dey call metabolic syndrome, you no go get am. And the oga the one wey we dey call cancer, e dey reduce am just by say you dey waka. And another thing wey I wan make our listeners know, sitting na the new smoking. If you dey sit for long, e no good.
Oh.
Sitting na the new smoking.
We need to do. Sitting at the new smoking.
You need for waka. If you know waka, as you sit down, so your output, the thing where your heart they pump out, it don't reduce. And the more your heart they pump, the better. Because when blood they flow, now they bring nutrients, now they give you everything where you need for body. So person where they sit, whether you they sit too much for job, I beg make you they get up.
So because sitting,
now the new smoking.
now the new smoking.
Not be me talk, I'm not science. It's
science.
all over.
So also they tell the people will be saying they smoke, they endanger their life.
Then they endanger.
You will be saying you they sit down too much too.
Now
They endanger your life too.
Your life too.
Thank you so much, doctor. Before we wrap this up, we'll enjoy electricity. When we come back, we'll just wrap things up. You go tell people where they have to contact you to get more information. With the show back, not go anywhere.
Yanga 899 FM.
We collaborate.
It's good when you get doctor as brother or as sister, as friend. See, just try your best, because I mean, if you really want to enjoy life, you need to know a lot about this your body, because at this body now we take the here. The spirit nowhere in the connects to, but this body now make us stay present for life. So if you must live long, then you must learn to take care of this body. And one of the ways that we say, doctor, we say it don't establish for us to say sleep. They actually they guarantee long life. Somebody say now money I just need, you need sleep. Now I'm going to talk about the danger of not having enough sleep. In case you don't know who we get Rashid Abasi, MD, Chief Medical Director, Heritage Men's Clinic. My name is Ejiro. You listen to Yanga 89.9 FM. On top, you are what we waiting in now with and we don't talk area police. So much we don't talk about a lot. So if you know really the MC don't miss, but let's see what happen. I will take your questions. Maybe you want to ask doctor question right now about what we discuss. 0904 821 3013 0904 821 3013. Yeah, now the number for you to send quick either text message, WhatsApp message, just send a message of a question. Let me say you would like me doc answer us for here this morning. Okay, doctor, we'll talk about the danger in you could deal with you just recording up, because that one you record only down. Sharp. Now, I want to make you really make this one really day the way it's supposed to be, because time not there at all. And I see some people here. I not say greet, I say ask question. Which will be, doctor, I greet you. Doctor, they said I greet you. Doctor, they greet you. Don't I greet them again?
I greet you now. I didn't know ya.
You like doctor voice here? Now say to the start. Listen to the information. Leave this thing. Well, doctor, I'm going to talk about the danger way day for when person no dey get enough sleep.
My brother,
the danger wey dey
yes,
the person no dey get enough sleep.
The danger, see, your body and my body, it be like a new Mercedes Benz or na Rolls Royce. The way we for maintain am, sleep na number one. Sleep na the oga kwata. So person wey no dey sleep, if you no dey sleep, your brain go assume say you dey under stress.
Okay.
Say why my brother Ejiro no dey sleep. Say like computer wey you turn on for 24/7. Small time e go break down. And you no wan make your body break down.
Yeah.
Baba God wey give us no be fake thing he put. So the thing no dey just break down like that. But insufficient sleep na im dey rejuvenate, na im dey give your body the energy wey e need for the carry hustle go. So when you no sleep well, your brain dey release certain chemical. One of them na cortisol. In na stress marker.
Okay.
That one go make your blood pressure shoot up.
Wow.
You see pot belly wey you get, some people go say I know they eat pass one time but im get pot belly.
Yeah.
Na because you know they sleep.
Oh.
E get stress. The stress level don go up. And you go see am, e be na 20 something year old, 30 year old, e look like 50 year old. Na internal stress don dey go up, you know dey sleep. So sleep na say you dey take your motor car go for service, you dey go do tune up. If you do tune up well, that car go last you. Na so your body and my body dey. And then most importantly for the men wey dey listen to us, if you sleep well, you wake up, you go get your manhood, e go come up.
That mean your machine gun go dey charged.
Your machine gun say I dey ready to face
anything wey dey come. Let me say the way to service your machine gun say na to sleep well.
Na sleep, not be Dr Abasi talk am, na science. If you sleep well, your machine gun go wake up in the morning. Madam go enjoy you.
Go dey well service.
You go dey well service. All your cylinder go dey fire.
Okay, I no go talk so you go talk now. No come work for like 2 weeks so because I want service myself well. But then thank you so much, Oga. Thank you. Oga Rashid Abasi. But before you leave, wetin be how person fit contact you, how person fit connect to you, which of the platforms and how fit reach you?
I dey for Heritage Men's Clinic TV.
Okay.
That one dey for YouTube. And
okay.
From there you go fit see everything Heritage Men's Clinic na there.
Okay.
And every we dey run come from America, come dey do see patients here.
Yeah.
So
all right, make you know say doctor the Heritage Men's Clinic TV.
Yes.
Now so you take dey. All right, make you know say doctor na America, US based. You understand? I mean American based. That ain't be. You understand? When I tell her say my life these days I dey do with dollar more than naira. But no, they believe me. You understand? I love my naira. I carry am well. But just to tell you, see the kind of people they relate with. All my friends, now just few. None of them essay. Wait there and them. They been Nigerians. Them Wale Pipo and them Awala. They been in Nigeria with my life. And my wife, but my wife, I go so go. But ladies and gentlemen, we had a good time with Rashid Abasi, MD, Chief Medical Director, Heritage Men's Clinic. Thank you so much for you show body today.
Always
we hope
pleasure,
to get you again and again and again. You wait the listen, you don't forget, say, may you not forget to tell people, say, this is what we talk now. You go there on our YouTube, Yanga FM Nigeria. You go see there on IG, TikTok, X, Yanga899.fm. You go see there, if you see your face on our website, www.yanga899.fm. Myself, Ejiro, I go post time for my own. I go post time for them at Ejiro CFR. That is EJIROCFR. We'll go enjoy more music. When we go come back, it will be time for trending. I will tell you within the sup for inside Obodo Nigeria and Obodo Away. We there with you. Then you say, "Kak here." Because for here, we got you.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.